there, this is Arti. I have made a computer vision based project titled Smart Selfie using OpenCV by the virtual assistance of instructors from Skyfi Labs. The final program of the project requires the camera to click a picture from live video when it detects a smile. In the program, we have imported the necessary libraries such as CV, NumPy, and dlib. We have then initialized a face detector. We have determined a smile constant which is equal to 5 as a threshold for smile detection. We have then defined a function to calculate the smile parameter. Then we have captured and read frames from the webcam. Detection of the face from the frame is done using the detector object. Thereafter, we have predicted the facial landmarks and recognized the smile. The counter is incremented whenever a smile is detected. When the counter reaches 15, which means a smile is detected in 15 frames, the selfie will be captured. The variable selfie number keeps track of the picture captured. The counter is reset once a selfie has been captured for the initiation of the next loop for detecting smile. Also, the counter is reset to 0 once the smile disappears in 15 frames. On running the code, it can be seen that whenever a smile is detected, as well as sustained for about 15 frames, a selfie would be captured. Thanks for watching.